FM Dojo. In this episode, I'd like to introduce you guys to flows. Flows is a connection setup. You can automate FileMaker with a lot of different services. Let me show you what we have so far. If you go to connections, you can see a list of available services that you can connect with. You can actually set up the connections right here. So if you click Jira, for example, you can have your name, your domain, your email, and API token, and it will tell you how to get that token as well. I don't know what Pipedrive is, but it will tell you that you can have a connection name and an API token. You go to settings and personal preferences, you get your token, from there. Um, if you click on the name or highlight the name of these, they will take you to the website as well. So if I want Trello, it'll open a new window, take me to Trello, sign up, log in, do whatever you need to do to get your connection, and then it will tell you how to get your API key. And then you can plug that in, and then you can use these in your flows. So let's take a look at the flow. I have already set one up, but if you wanted to set up a new flow, then you go to obviously the button New Flow. But I have one set up, so I'll just walk you through the one that I already have. Just for fun, let's take a look at this. So this is, I wanted to just set this up for fun to see if I can get it working, and I did. So I have a database that I set up just for this particular purpose through it on my server, and I have an inbound webhook set up. So basically, you get a webhook URL here, and then you go and then add that into Stripe. And then that will fire if you set up when you want it to fire. In my case, I set it up to fire every time I have a new subscription. So that's my database. Obviously, if you want to use this, you have to set up your server and connect your file, within FM Dojo. But once you made those connections, then your files can be used in a lot of different places. So I chose my file. And then originally, I actually used AI to write this script. And then I refreshed, and then my script showed up. So now I have the create Stripe payment script. And then this is very important. You need a script parameter sometimes, not always, but in this case, we needed this trigger payload. So it will actually fire and pass the information on. We have a little bit of information on the bottom that can guide you on how to get this done. And as usual, if you're getting stuck, we have our own Ask FM Dojo here, so you can ask questions. So this was done, and then I saved it and I ran it, but I'm gonna walk you through this part as well. So I'm going back, and so here's the webhook, URL. They can just copy out and then paste this into Stripe or whatever service you're using. And then, as you can see, I have a few of them that have already run. I can even replay one of them if I had an issue, just wanted to see what's going on. You can flip this out, and then you have your trigger data, what's coming in from Stripe. And then you have your output data, and it's all JSON, it's all humanly readable, well, for the most part, right? Um, but it will tell you, what went down, when it went down, how it went down very nicely. So you can at least do some troubleshooting from here too. And you can always copy this and paste it into AI and do some more work on it. But this will give you a history of all the runs, and eventually I'll probably make it searchable and filterable. But for now, I think for the version one of this thing, it's pretty decent. Where else did I want to go here? That this test all button is just mine because I wanted to test all of them at once, and I have not done that yet, so I'm testing them one by one. But you can turn them on, you can turn them off, you can delete them, and then right here it tells you success. So if you build more and more of them, you will have quite a few. And for now, it's only basically one flow and one action. Um, once this is working and tested and we're all okay with it, I will um, add more steps to it so you can even combine different services with this. Please let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you like about it, what you would like. Feel free to just get in touch and let me know whatever your thoughts are. Thank you. See you next time.